Tools play a substantial role in machining. These are built ad hoc internally. They are checked and certified and stored by the pre-setting laboratory that then codes them for tracing. This allows for monitoring the number of pieces each tool has machined, the number of orders for which it has been used, and the number of pieces it will be able to machine, thereby avoiding interruption of production. Before setting the machines up, tools and equipment are set into their respective tool holders and checked. Even in the pre-setting department, all information is entered into the company IT system and is available to operators in order to reduce setup hours. To complete the department, there is both regular maintenance, controlled by the company IT system, as well as exceptional maintenance. Predictive maintenance projects are underway with the aim of keeping the greater part of plant equipment monitored in real time. In order to anticipate anomalies or breakdowns,